and greet our visitors, that's all.
Mama, I am not coming. And in case they are leaving soon, tell them I'm saying goodbye.
Ijoma, what is the matter with you? Do you know how many girls out there desperately looking for a husband? Do you know? Eh?
Mama, we can look for one of them and give to that old man.
Okay, okay. At least to maintain my business relationship with Mazen.
Mama, I don't like this.
Just come and say good afternoon.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Just come and say good afternoon to them, that's all. You're very pretty.
I don't like this kind of.
Thank you. That's my girl. IJ baby. Thank you. Haha. Sorry for keeping you waiting. You see, I met her in the kitchen. She was cooking a goosey soup. She's so busy. In fact, she cooks all the food in my house.
That's what we did. Good afternoon. What a paragon of beauty. You are nothing but tomatoes all over you. Not only that, I am going to wash you. Nkele bụ cash.
Ọnọdụ.
Lekwe ego.
Ọnọdụ.
Orimiriata.
Ị ga-ebido ebe a na-ebi.
Anyị nwe.
The journey starts for
Orimiriata.
Yes. IJ baby.
Ọgọnọdụ.
Ife adigo.
Ọmụnwa. Enwerugo m nwa.
Anyị nwe.
I don't blame you. But the devil that brought you here to insult me.
Ijoma, come back here. Come here. Come. Where are you coming from? Ijoma, what is wrong with you? Why are you throwing away all the beautiful opportunities for you to get married? Why? Why, Ijoma?
Mama, did I tell you I am desperate at this time for a husband? Even at that, look at the kind of men that are coming to marry me.
Look, Ijoma, money is the issue. Yes, raw cash, foreign currency, liquid. Ijoma, you need security. And all the men who are coming for you are made millionaires, already made millionaires. What else could a young girl of your age ask for? What else?
Mama, I am not selling anything. Please tell them to keep their money to themselves. Ijoma is not for sale. Mama, excuse me, I have to go.
Ijoma! Come back here, Ijoma! Come here, Ijoma!
When I sing this in here, there's a way it turns my head.
EJ!
Even though yo.
Ijoma, yes, let's go.
EJ, why are you in a hurry to
Don't
go?
you like this song? Don't you like it? It's not that I don't like it, but let's go, EJ.
It's okay. Remember what I said, remember, don't fail.
Papa.
Don't fail, no. Ifu. How? Are you back? Patrick. You know her mother? Who? I know her mother now. What do you mean? Who does it? Don't you know her mother? Naisa could not be this. So what? If that thing, that girl is beautiful. Hey! By the time she will discover that each time she leaves shop, she will end up here. Me and you will not fit. Let me tell you, if the border will pour acid on me, provided I am with this girl, is enough. I won't even feel the hot of the acid.
We are still owing her.
So what? People owe, the country owe. That is credit facility.
I am not looking for a handsome man that will finally turn around to be a playboy. It's just funny, that's all I like about him.
Listen, Ijoma, that doesn't mean that any of those rich men seeking for your hand in marriage can be funny as well. Look, Ijoma, you have good opportunities. Why don't you accept one of those men as a husband?
I don't want all these arrogant men that believe I am getting married to them because of their money. You see, Patrick is a simple man. In fact, that is all I like about him.
Oh, Patrick, I like you the way you are, and that's what matters most. You don't need a car or houses to get married to me.
That is the problem. You like me very much, but I don't like myself, and that is the problem. Just look at me. This is a poor guy dating a girl from a very rich family. I can't take her out of my car. I can't do anything for her. It hurts. It really hurts. And besides, your mother will be the last woman to live and allow this thing to end up in marriage. It hurts.
Patrick, I like you very much. And there is nothing my mother or anyone can do about it.
You like me very much.
Of course.
There is nothing anybody, your mother or anybody can do about it.
You know that now.
Then give me one more hour.
No, Patrick.
You see, you just said there is nothing anybody can do about it.
Okay, you know what? I promise you, I'll be here earlier tomorrow so that we'll have much time for ourselves, okay? Cheer up.
Sorry, my dear. Hey, what did I do to you?
Mama, they came and searched everywhere. I tried to scream, but they beat me, demanding for money. They told me to show them where your money is, but I refused though.
Why didn't you give them money? Why? At least you should have told them that I have $20,000 in my room. Mama, that would have been better than beating you up.
I didn't know you had such money. I didn't know. But Mama, they searched everywhere. They searched the rooms. Maybe they saw the money. That was why they left me. How? Otherwise, they would have killed me.
Mama!
Hey, my baby! My baby. You see how happy I am now that you are here. You see how happy? I was wondering this shirt I bought. About me.
Guess what? I bought something for you.
What? I can't
A
eat
surprise. Guess.
A picture you took.
Something worth more than a photograph. But just guess. Guess now.
That's you are the only one that's more than that.
Patty.
I can't guess. Please, now give it to me. Give it to me. Hit me.
Okay. Just hold on.
Let me see. Hit me.
Close your eyes now.
Okay, you want me to close my eyes? In fact, I will throw away my face.
Mati, open your eyes and behold the best thing you have ever seen in your life.
Oh, apart from you, let me open my eyes
Mati,
and
take a look at this.
Iji, how come?
Take the money!
Where did you get this money?
That is not the matter.
How much is it?
This is 20,000 US dollars.
What?
You know what to do with it? Just use it in getting a car for our wedding as to impress my people. Then use the rest in upgrading your business.
Ijoma,
Fatim.
I'm fainting.
Fatim, you have not yet fainting yet.
Everybody must say $20,000. Everybody hear this!
Fatima.
IJ,
Yes, Mama.
you are still here. Who are these people you said are coming to see me?
My friends, just wait, they will soon be here.
Is that why you are shining like this and cleaning up the whole place?
Mama, but I'm always like this now. Or don't you trust your daughter any longer?
It's okay. If they come, I'm in my room. Come and call me, eh?
Okay.
My nephew, Patrick, a very successful businessman.
Madam knows that.
Successful in the real sense of it.
Hey,
Madam knows that. You know it.
who is a successful businessman?
Me now.
This one that is owing me for the past 2 years for the goods I supplied him.
Madam, does it stop me from being successful?
Oh.
I'm still a successful businessman.
Madam, Brother Patrick is now very, very successful.
Yes.
In fact, he now rides a Mercedes V-Boot.
Okay. Madam should know by now.
Go check it.
He now writes for
Alloyed wheel.
Yes.
Fully air conditioned. In fact, computerized with remote control.
Don't give that away.
It uses
That's it,
petrol,
yeah.
water and electricity.
Hey!
Oh.
I can't believe this.
Father God is doing a wonderful job on my head, honestly.
Aha!
Yes.
Okay! I now see the reason why you have come to pay me my money.
Far from that, madam. Far from
Let me
that.
have it now.
Rather, we have come to seek the hands of your daughter in marriage for Patrick.
Yes.
I redeem my. Hey, thank you, madam. After is a very good fit. Yes. She's still happy. Very good. That's a big welcome, you know. Honestly, I'm so happy, madam.
Go. Which of my daughters?
Each a fine, boss.
Hey!
Madam, I'm tempted to start calling you in-law immediately.
Ijama!
Hey, Asadama.
Ije!
Why you should change her name?
Ije, come and hear the greatest joke of the year. Come. IJ, can you imagine? Patrick is asking for your hand in marriage.
Amen.
Can you imagine that?
Look at the nose. So similar.
Yes, Mama.
Very much alike.
Mama, we have discussed that, and I have accepted to marry him.
Hey. Wait. Did I hear you well?
Okay, say it again.
You have discussed what? And that what has happened?
That I have accepted to marry Patrick.
Yes.
And that's why they are here to seek your consent.
Yes. My website.
Mama, what is all this? It's all I ever want.
Oh yeah, out of my house! Get out of my room! Get out! Get out!
Has your mother given her consent?
Yes, she has.
Really?
Sir. even if it means importing it from Japan or China. But, okay.
I'm looking for liquid mercury.
Lee? Said liquid what?
I said liquid mercury. Don't you know it?
Liquid mercury.
It is a chemical. I was told I would find it here. I've been searching for it for months now all over the nation. Even the largest chemical importer in this country doesn't have it.
We don't have it here as well.
We don't have it.
Check
the other
side.
That next store or even the next. I've been everywhere. I'm tired of searching. All I need is one jerry can. You know what? I'm willing to pay 12 million naira for it. I mean 12 million naira. Please, if you see anybody who has it, give me a call.
Okay, now. Bye-bye.
Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Hello, how are you?
Yes, can we help you?
Actually, I don't need to buy anything. But I'm looking for an agent that can help us a new chemical product we have in stock now. It is called liquid mercury.
If you said it's called what?
I said liquid mercury. We have just about 2 jerry cans.
Liquid mercury.
And we say each are 5 million naira only.
Wait. You know what will happen is that you will...
I'm in a hurry, I want to go.
No, please, don't be in a hurry, See, what happened is that we have some drones, consignments that will come. Liquid mercury, you said.
Yes.
They will come in less than a week, so I want you to come back. In fact, even before 1 week.
Okay then, but I don't sell them on credit.
No.
It's cash at hand and carry.
No problem. No problem. Just come. In fact, 3-4 days, just come. Okay. But bring 2 drums. You know the other man, the one that came earlier, said he's ready to pay 12 million. If we push the man, he's ready to pay 50 million. And then this one says he's selling it for 5 million. So we have 10 million. We're going to get the money. What are you saying? I'm about not going to sell. In fact, if you are for this thing, I can sell you and use you to do this thing. I'm telling you, after that, then I'll come and buy you back. All these things are going. Everything in my house is going. See, this business is better than any business that I can.
Sorry to keep you waiting, gentlemen. Okay. Here is the chemical. Okay. Handle it with care.
Why not? Is it not good?
Is this the money?
Yes,
but what? What is it? Are you doubting me?
No.
If you don't want it, I can't.
No.
Wait,
please. We are looking for one chief. Yeah, the man that has this office.
What does he look like?
It looks yellow.
One fair, but it's
fair, but not so fair. Chief, no, wait. Where is that?
This is the card.
This is the card, the man's card. This is the man.
I know, we don't have such name.
He said we will call supply and chemical, now we bring so.
Chemical? You've been duped.
People have been coming here with the same old story. You've been duped. I'm sorry.
The man said, may we bring chemical.
I'm sorry, we don't have such name. Excuse me.
This boy is crazy.
Don't mind the bullshit. Let us take this chemical. Instead of all this waka. Let us take this.
How many shop we don't
Let's go and collect our money now.
It's now when I take my life. It's now when I take
stairs. No. This one is the top now. This is the topmost. Wait. Wait. Flat to let. 419. 419. Help. 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 419. Hey! 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 All my money. Hey!
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you.
I know you must be very tired and thirsty. Let me get you some water to drink, okay?
IJ, there is no amount of water that you get, even one drum, cannot quench this my headache. My head is breaking into two.
Jesus Christ. What happened? Did you fight with anybody in the shop or what?
Hi. Me, in broad daylight. When I am awake, somebody duped me. Imagine me with my eyes opened. These 419 people duped me.
Jesus.
In broad daylight.
Okay. Did you say they duped you?
Ijoma, 419ers have had me. They said I should bring this to imagine the fact that I was selling all those things. I sold a lot of the things in the past, almost all the things in the shop.
Hey, God.
I sold even properties here. Ijoma, you wouldn't believe it.
Ha!
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Why now? Why now they fight? Why? Look at man. Eh? What is the problem? What's the problem?
14 naira.
What happened?
This one, he don't go every day. He go buy something. Number 1 time, number 2, number 3, he never give money because she never hear English for Igbo. Then is why we carry my back and I give this one. We leave her.
Start again because this one will do. He just go like this for my ear. Talk again.
Me I no hear am too. I never hear English.
You never explain at all. Explain as small, make you understand them. Small. What this verb? What happened?
Number 1 time, don't go. Don't go. He never give money.
Who?
Number 1.
This one don't go.
Yes. He never give money. Because he never hear English.
Wait. Number 1.
Na him.
Equam. You no give money.
We leave her.
Number 2.
Na him.
Equam. You no give money.
Na question 1.
Number 3. Equam. You no give money. Go.
Gaskiya muna.
He do you bad. Let me tell you, if you use your dagger, it's okay, but no use it. I will pay you. How much is it owe you?
140. Gaskiya
only
140 will leave her.
Go and sleep. I will give you your money. Why you do this kind of thing? Why you go and they fight that kind of thing?
You know what's in there? You don't know what's in there? I don't chop.
You don't chop today. Now everybody for Namalan fault.
Why did they change your mood these days? Why?
Why wouldn't my mood change? Hey man, look at me now. Since I wear the principal, well, I'm supposed to wear them. All these people that you are moving motor Mercedes, they have 2 heads. Why is it that each one we put hand into will just fall like that?
Just look at you, John. Just take a good look at yourself. Simply walk out of that marriage. Look at you. You are walking and suffering yourself to an early old age. With that man as your husband. Come back home. Come back. Ijoma, come back home.
No, I can't. Mama, I love Patrick. I love him.
Ijoma, please, come back home. This is your home, and I am still your mother. Look, I am going to take very good care of you and the baby. I will. Just forget that man. I will make sure a young, handsome and wealthy man comes to marry you. Pico. Please, my dear.
Mama, how can you say such a thing? I am married to Patrick and we stay married to him. Things will change. Nothing lasts forever. I believe that one day our marriage situation will change. Mama, please, I need some money. Please.
Release some money. For who? For Patrick? You must be out of your senses.
Patrick! Patrick! Patrick, I know you're inside. Come out, oh.
Is anything the problem?
Yes, plenty problem. Where is your husband?
He should be inside.
Inside, but I've been knocking here since 5 minutes ago and no response. I know he's inside because your neighbors told me he's inside.
You see, I am just coming from my mother's place. I don't know if he's around. Just hold on while I...
You better find out.
Patrick! Patrick, open the door. It's me. Patrick, it's me.
Ijoma.
Yes, it's me.
You know, there was...
Look, Patrick. Patrick, come back.
Look, how much am I owing you, or son? How much am I owing you that you will not allow me to rest? You will not allow me to eat in my house?
How can
you
you
not allow my wife to rest?
How can you eat when I'm hungry? There is no peace for the wicked.
You have always been
Since you have decided to die with my money, I have come to die with you today.
Okay.
Today.
You did well. You see, when a man determines to do something, it is wrong for people to stop him. If you have decided to come here and die, I will willingly take you to the mortuary. So start dying.
Oh, take me to the mortuary?
Yes!
That is why I came. Patrick, me and you will die today.
No, you will die today, not
I
me.
will die with you now.
No, not with me. You will start dying first.
You must give me that money. You must give me that money. I must die with you.
Custom design.
It's either you give me that money.
This is custom design. Let me tell you.
It's either you give me that money.
Asandu. Give me my money, Asandu. You will die. I will kill you.
I will die with you.
What is happening? Please now.
Ijoma, go. Look at your condition.
I will not leave you. I will not leave you.
You can't do anything.
You must give me that money.
That's it. It's custom design.
It will end here.
It's custom design. It's custom made.
Custom made where?
Is it more important than anything here?
Is it more important than my mother? I will not leave this man today. Even the money I get you to give to my mother. Where is it?
How much is it?
It doesn't matter. Give me my money. Madam, where is my money? I need my money today. I will not leave it.
This is custom design.
I will not leave it.
You will pay.
Give me my money now.
Give you your money for where? Mind yourself.
Are you going to give me the money, madam? Go and bring it.
I will give it.
Go and bring the money. I will not let it. I will not go empty-handed today. Go and bring it. Go and bring it. I'm waiting for you.
What's the son? You know things are very difficult now. We don't have the money right now, but I will give you something worth more than that money. Just to
Madam, you have put sugar in your tongue now. Make sure you bring something now.
Don't you trust me?
I will not go empty-handed.
I will give you something.
Okay, go and bring something now. Stop talking.
What's the son? Take it.
I must take that money today. What kind of nonsense? If you other day, you run from this one. Run from.
You see this wrapper here? My elder sister gave it to me when she came back the last time. This wrapper is very, very expensive. If you sell it, you will get your money and even have change on top.
Just wrapper. Do you know how much your husband is owing me?
Why is it? Take a look at this wrapper. This is Hollandis.
Look at it.
Look at it now.
It's
It's Hollandis.
Is this not the kind of clothes they are selling at Ogbeteme market?
It is Hollandis, man.
Hollandis. Look at the
Go
stuff,
and,
madam. Okay, what happens is,
well,
I will not argue with you any longer. I will hold this one. Tomorrow morning, you will see me here.
That land, that your papa land, that one land, make you sell them. Make the sort.
Why?
Make you sell them now.
Take why?
You go there for house arrest continuously.
Sort people out. Now me be the only person who owe.
How many they owe? How much should they owe everybody?
Ikechi, you are not a good person. No. What do they take? How much? You go give me the loan. You suggest to me to go sell my papa land. Ikechi, just come go. Don't even make me first now.
You know what's your papa land make this survive?
Why go stop? You don't sell all your papa land. Why they talk this in neighbors? They hear the.
Why they talk like this? You like prison?
It's better I stay inside this very prison than go to your own prison outside. How can I leave me? Oh?
Don't worry. If you sell this land, pay. Other people will not pay. I go bail you for police.
Go sell your own papa land. Then they do them. Help a friend. If you get this, you sell your own papa land. Help me.
May you try. May you come outside. May you talk. Come to me for outside.
I beg, go. I beg.
So when am I see you now?
You won't see me. If I want to you, don't worry, I go come. Don't come again, just leave me.
Please stop coming, stop visiting me in the night, I beg.
Hey! Love on one shower, man.
How are you? Chima, no.
Back out.
Hey! So you now do your washings yourself?
No, I'm waiting for you to tell me why you have been shouting. Why is your ear in Gege now? Tell me exactly what happened.
That's your so-called wife. She's not feeling too big to wash your clothes.
Is that the heaven that has fallen? Why your ear is in Gege? It's because of my wife. I'm washing my clothes. And where is my wife?
Hey.
Why do you people always like to cast aspersion on that girl?
I do whatever my husband wants me to do.
Yes.
I even clean his shoes, yes.
You? You, Chima. Chima, you're not talking to an outsider.
Don't you know me?
Chima, shut up. Chima, shut up. I know exactly what happened in that family. You're not going to stranger.
Hi.
Have you forgotten that I'm even a part of that family?
Richard.
Why is it that you people will not see people who I love? You keep casting this calumny on my wife, doing all this nonsense, talking nonsense about my wife. Leave that girl alone. That girl is almost my God. Chima, did you give your Mind yourself.
Why are you doing the washing? I thought I told you to wait until I come back.
My dear. Stop! Good afternoon, begin. Good afternoon when you have rendered my brother useless. Eh?
Chimba, it's okay.
Yes, you have rendered my brother useless.
Go, now go. Chimba.
Go where? Richard, I'm going. Because I will just contaminate with anybody's in-law.
My wife
I am going, yes, she's an in-law.
Chimba, go.
Yes.
Chimba, I
just.
Don't get yourself stressed up because of... Is it Chimma? Everybody knows Chimma and the way Chimma behaves. Her mouth is one punishment God has given her.
Why was she talking to me like that? Have I done anything wrong?
You have done everything right. You have done nothing wrong. But Chimma must talk, whether you have done anything, even if you clean her road. She must say something. Chimma has a... She may not be a witch, she may not be a thief, but Chimma's mouth is a punishment God has given her. I'm telling you, because that thing is going to be her undoing. Even in the husband's family, the same thing happens. Her husband, do you know Chimma talked her husband out of the house for 2 weeks? This man went on a compulsory tour.
Look, I really enjoyed today's service. Everybody came. Up till now, I'm still receiving gifts from my various in-laws. Mommy, you know that there now. Nega's husband.
Of course.
Hey, you need to see the Abada and George she bought for me. One in town.
Mommy,
wonderful.
You're very lucky.
Look at. You even asked after your husband.
Happy Mothering Sunday.
Patrick, you are here.
Yes.
You didn't come to the church today. Everybody else came except you.
Yes, you know, my mother did her own mother. You know, it's the same day. So I had to go to the village to attend to my mother's Mothering Sunday. But in spite of it, I said I must break away and then come to my mother-in-law.
It's all right. Now that you're here, what did you bring for me?
I came prepared. I came fully prepared. Guess.
Guess?
Yes.
You bought a car for me?
Car. Car is very small compared with it. Car is a material thing. This is something very, very costly that comes from within.
Okay.
Yes.
You bought me a land somewhere where I will build another mansion.
It's still small. It's still small compared with the weight of what I have.
I can't wait. I can't wait to see it.
Okay, could you close your eyes?
Close my eyes?
Yes.
Okay. If you say so, my eyes are closed.
Ta-da! No, look at it here. It's mighty but wonderful. Small but mighty. You know, I had to go to every department store, up to 5, before I could get this.
What is this?
Open it, man, and see. The word is so perfect.
Tattered old envelope.
No, I was holding it to myself so that no other person. You know, I hold it so precious.
It's an old card. Congratulations.
No, it's the holding. Yes, congratulations on your Mothering Sunday. I should have added it because they didn't put
With love, Ijoma. This is meant for Ijoma.
Oh, you see, look at how foolish I am. With love, Ijoma's mother. That was what I wanted to write. Get me a pen, let me correct it. Ijoma's mother. That's what. Hey, you think you will write? Yeah, you're going to get it. You can't get this type, my friend. That was even Okada. You cannot. Man is coming back. I'm not going to say we'll be rubber. Brave up. Hello.
Yes, Oga wants to see you. Me? My Oga wants to see you.
Oga. Is that not Patrick? Ezendu. Look at Ezendu.
What are you guys doing here?
This is you. We just went somewhere there, to give a message. Ezendu, who owned you own this one?
My car.
Hey! You own a water?
I live around here.
You live around here?
Yeah.
Don't die.
It's okay, let's get to my house.
Ezendu. Hey! Hey! Dikeh, we are punished by God. Hey! Ezendu. Let us go. No, you said let us go to your house. Let us go. Come and stay inside. I will stay at the window. Hey! Are you telling me that this thing looks like what did they use in constructing this thing? This is your house. Ikechi, I don't believe it. I think you will not believe it. Now you get that. This is your house. Use it now.
Patrick, why don't you forget about what is written on the car? Just come in and ride with me. Money is made for men to make. Hey, and we must make it.
To enter car is not to enter ambulance. Isn't that surprise? I'm surprised. In a short time, you were able to achieve all this. Hey, we know you now.
Jason, no, you has luck.
Yeah, we were sent out from school the same time, learn the same trade the same time, and all that. How come
you beat for school? Look at the dogs in the school.
Patrick will never change. You see, that's one thing about our people. We make the water which will quench our thirst and pursue the source. Why don't you forget about how I make my money and enjoy my money with me?
Hey, look at us now. We're just like brothers. Look, listen. We had been together right from that very time. Yeah. We have tried everything in the book. There is nothing here this man. We try everything to make. Listen, just show us the way. Tell us whichever way we're going to make this very money. We will follow it.
And your interests are not here. What's happening?
How did Ezindu make his money? How can you look at Ezindu? Come and see. Look at Ezindu. Look at cars. Look at the class of the building. Ezindu Tonga fish.
The same guy, the same Ezindu, I used to give money, give him my used clothes, even take care of his breakfast.
Are you talking?
Now gives me money, for God's sake.
Ezindu doesn't know what is one, which we know. Now he's rich. Does he have two heads? Whatever business Ezindu is doing, I can do it better, I know.
But that guy must have joined 419.
419?
Yes.
Evil.
Whatever business Ezindu is doing, I have to be incorporated in it. I'm going back to Ezindu. I'm going back. Look, how can Ezindu, who used to be a dunce, get all this in while I'm moving around? Ezindu doesn't know anything about fish like Ezindu. Whatever it is, even if it is 411, let him incorporate it. I wouldn't mind answering him, sir. See, if you don't follow me. No, not that. What are you saying?
Your in-laws and your friends.
It's true. You know that thing that you wrote in the Bible about hell and heaven. That hell is poverty. In fact, if God wants to punish you, he will make you poor. Just like the God has punished the two of us. There is no amount of, you see, a poor man and a madman, the same thing. They are the same thing. The only thing is that they are wearing different jerseys because they are playing opposite ends of the field.
I'm glad you understand.
Thank you.
To make money takes a lot of courage and sacrifices. Man has to give something in order to receive something.
God bless you, Ezindu. God bless you. God bless you, Ezindu. Just like the Equatorial Guinea people say, the whole world is like a house. I shall of course, give a woman and a woman gives to you. That we give and give. We give a woman, we give a woman.
That's the point. That's the point. That's the point, my friend. I have given something, and behold, I have received all this.
Yes.
Are you guys willing to give something? Are you guys willing to make sacrifices and be like me?
What is this man talking about? Which willing? What are you saying?
We have been given, no? Are you willing to receive?
We have given and given and given. The only thing that is remaining is to give our blood. Yes. Honestly, what haven't we given? Everything. What have we not given? Just ask me. Look, just show us, will tell us anything. If you want guarantor, we'll get you guarantor. If you need any, even if it is to work in the night, we will work in the night. Do you understand? Even chemical, if you chemical to make money, we can provide. We know. Even if it must bring in a man, bishop, pastor, any. We are ready to kidnap now. Nurse, woman pastor, nurse, no woman pastor, no problem. So
you guys will never.
We are ready. We are ready. No. Isn't we are ready?
I'll help you guys.
Please.
You will journey with me for a while.
Okay, we're going for a journey.
I have to communicate with my friends at the high places.
Okay. That's good. What time do we?
It is midnight journey.
Okay. Midnight. Well, midnight.
You come tomorrow? Midnight.
Do we get this thing here? You know, some like Okada. We need to go with Okada.
Well, no problem. I will take
all the time. Oh, sorry. I was even talking about Okada.
I would have dropped.
No, don't worry. I didn't have the money for Okada.
Just take this for your transport.
Advertise.
But I will tell you something. Patrick, I want you people to be more serious now. This is not there.
No, we're serious.
Try and be more serious in life.
This is the only thing that will make us so that we don't become mad. You see, that's why we are behaving like this. Isn't the good times? Na Chineke kere mu man must jenu nego. Okay, gakanayu. I have made it. I hit the jackpot.
Don't come near me. Where are you coming from at this time of the night, Patrick?
Is that, whatever it is, can't this thing bring smiles to your face?
Hey,
whatever.
Patrick, you have now confirmed it. You have now confirmed what I have been scared about. Patty, so you've been going about stealing people's money, eh? Hey! Patty.
IG, if you are as my wife now, if I go outside as an armed robber and then come back with 20,000, won't you send me out with jail? Or with TVs to flog me to go and complete the money? It's like I'm an apprentice, I don't know what I'm doing. You understand? This is real rock money. One of my friends, he said that the uncle brought a container, goods, that we should go and see the man so that we can help. I thought it was even something that we could use our own money to buy. We went there, the man said what he requires is just PR job for him. That we should just do PR, find the people that are going to buy those things in the container, finish. That's why I'm having this.
Are you trying to tell me that because you did some running around to get people, that was why you paid 20,000
for one job?
Hey! Hey!
This time around, it's going to be an office. I want to open an office. Party EJ Consult PR. Party J Consultant PR Consultancy Limited.
Party.
You are before Mahalakshmi, the goddess of wealth and fortune. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Jai Lakshmi, Jai Lakshmi, Jai Lakshmi.
This is American one. Where is he?
This is not us.
We're finished. Yeah, he's using us. He's using us. Instead of doing it for us, he's using us as specimen.
Isn't the one kill us? I said this 20 times. Isn't the one kill us?
Take it. Take it.
This is cake. This is cake now.
It is the gift of love. Give it to whom you love most, and your wealth will flow like rain.
That one's not a problem.
But if you give it to whom that hates you, the whole world will hate you.
It's a problem.
And you will remain wretched till the end of your life.
It's not a problem.
No problem. I'm not getting anybody who will love me. I don't love anybody.
What about your dog?
No, let's not
dog. You love give
you
to your
must
dog.
get a mad woman.
Huh? Any mad woman they lost?
Get a mad woman. you must make love to her. Only in daytime.
Mad woman. Isn't which kind of thing is this?
You can go. You can go. I remember I suffered for 7 years in a graveyard to acquire this power.
You are half dead now,
but I'm giving it to you free as my friends.
I just want to go. Where can I go to toilet now? You want to push it? No. No, sir. Just look at me. In fact, I'm no longer interested in this business. Look at now. You didn't tell me I was going to get involved in all this. I thought it was going to be easy.
Men use tact, not muzzle.
Isn't I followed the instructions that you gave to me to the letter?
Should have used your senses.
If there were other things you should have told me earlier than that. I did everything.
Take this. Put it in her food, or whichever thing you want to give her.
Hey! I will go make love to mad woman again. Bow. Impossible.
Come back. What are you going to?
I'm not mad.
Come here.
Wait, I'm not. Let me.
You are not mad. What are you?
I am sane. I'm the same. You see, it is condition.
Condition did what?
Let me.
Will you go back there?
Let me explain to you.
I said go back
there. Am I
there.
talking like a madman? Huh? Am I talking like? I'm not talking like a madman.
I said go back. Go. Hey. Come here.
Now where I don't make love to this girl. Good. Come remain the cake. How good one? Where the cake serve? Who I go give this cake? Listen to say make I give somebody where I love. Who I love? Who love me? Okay. Yakubu.
Yes?
Abeg come.
What is it?
Come, Abeg come. I want make you go buy something for me.
I know they go.
Okay, I go dash you money for this one when you come back.
That's what I always say.
Okay, wait. Wait. This cake, na your own.
Eh?
Go buy me Gary.
If you like say don't change it.
No problem. I beg go. Yes. Gary. You don't go school?
I don't go.
You better. Whether you go, no problem. Let's go. You don't hate that. You don't hate. You don't hate that. Soon my money will be. You couldn't come. Hallelujah. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. Praise. Go. Go. Just come out. Come
okay,
out.
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yes. Come out. Treya, money. Los Rosbos, money.
Uncle Cake.
Hey, did what?
Give me cake.
Get the cake. Uncle Cake again. That man is evil. Yakubu, I beg, get up now. Yakubu, stand up and talk to us. Yakubu, stand to us. Yakubu, stand to us. Yakubu, please, Yakubu. Where is that cake? Where's the cake? Hey, lizard. That man is evil. I've told you, you must do something about him. You get it again. Hey, Yakubu.
Boys Igbo say, onye talk of nanya. Umu boys Igbo say, onye talk of nanya. Umu boys Igbo say, onye talk of nanya. Boys Igbo say, onye talk of nanya. Your stay here no longer interests us.
Yes.
As well as your poverty, you shall suffer and die.
Yes, you must die.
Boys Igbo say,
onye talk of nanya.
Let's go in and take all his properties. Boys Igbo say, onye talk of nanya. 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 Boys Igbo say.
You see what I've been saying? Eh? You see what I've been shouting about? Ikem, you won't kill me. You won't kill me, Ikem. Look at you now. Ikem, look at your face. Look at what they've done to you. If they had killed you, what would I have done? Eh?
They will not kill. One with God is majority, and I'm always with my God. And with you. And with your shining face. Nothing is going to happen to me. I did.
Okay, don't kill me now. Look at my condition. Eh?
This condition, call it our condition. No condition is permanent. Even this one is not going to be permanent. After 9 months or so. Months. Hassan! Don't worry about these bruises. Is there any food?
Food? Of course. I just finished preparing some delicious meal now. You know you have not eaten for some days. Just relax while I get your food, okay?
Yeah? Yeah.
I'll get you food.
Yeah, okay, yeah. You say rice?
Yes.
Let me.
Ha! Thank God.
Hey, come. Ajay. Come, I forgot. You know, I always, my love. Asam, you see, the way I take you is bugging me. Even when I'm suffering, even at the point of death, I'll still be thinking of you. I don't know. It's still become an epidemic to me. You keep hovering over my senses. Now, in spite of the fact that I suffered, as I was passing, I saw somebody carrying cake. I just said, what do I buy my wife? I bought some for you.
But you know I don't like sugary things, eh?
Right. But this is going to be an exception. You're going to take this for my sake. So you are my sugar. So when you take it, it's not even going to end up on you, it will end up in me.
Okay, you insist.
I insist.
to take another one. Anyway, what you do is, you will take it until you finish it. What is it? What is it, EJ? EJ, what is it? No, EJ. EJ. What is it? Where is it? Is the baby coming? Is the baby coming? Is the baby coming? EJ, Asama. EJ, what is it? What is it? EJ, Oma. EJ, what is it? What? Is it the baby? Don't worry. Do. Hey. Do. EJ, what is this, blood? Huh? Watch me. EJ. What is this? Huh? What? Who is? EJ, Oma. EJ. EJ. Oh, God of the sky. God. Oh, God. God, please. Please, EJ. No. EJ. God of heaven.
Is this a dream? God. My daughter John. I hope nothing is wrong with her.
What is it, Patrick? Are you okay?
Am I okay? Don't look okay to you. My wife is dead. My wife is lying dead.
She ate the cake I gave to you.
Of course she ate the cake. But you never told me that cake was going to kill anybody. You never told me at all.
Patrick, are you a small boy? Huh? Must I spell out everything for you? Can't you think with your brain that the sacrifice you made was with your wife?
I sacrificed my wife. Ezindu. I sacrificed Ijoma for what? Everybody said I sacrificed my wife for what? What would I give my wife? What am I going to enjoy the money with? Why didn't you tell me, Ezindu? How? My wife is dead. Is lying dead now.
So what, Patrick? It means you have completed the requirements. Now money will come. And you can marry as many wives as possible. Why worry?
Did you know my wife? I was pregnant of my first child. Who am I going to enjoy this money with? I killed an innocent woman that I love. God. Oh, what am I going to do? Where am I going from
There's
here?
no problem money cannot solve. With money, everything is possible. Money brings a case, and money solves the case.
Give me my daughter! What have I done? Give me my daughter! What have I done? Tell him to give me my daughter! What have I done? Give me it easy now. Take it easy now. Please,
need to get my daughter.
That is the only thing you are good for. Drinking and killing people. Come and drink it. Come and drink it.
Come and Mama died for me as well. I loved her too.
Come and drink more. You have done your worst. Let him let me alone. He has killed my daughter.
I was sorry to have kept you people waiting. A neighbor was telling me something, a very important thing that happened. You're welcome.
Thank you. All right, now that you are finished, please sit down so that we can discuss the issues that brought us here.
Yeah, no, before I offer you something now, what
Nico Patrick, we are not here for all that. Just sit down. Just sit down.
If you say so. But please, whatever it is going to be, make it brief. Because I still have...
Sit down now.
Patrick.
Yes.
How long has it been since your wife, our daughter Ijoma, died?
Well, I don't know that I have to keep the date, the minute, and the day, and the month. If you people had told me, maybe I would have been writing the thing in my diary.
All right.
Oh, this is the hour.
For your information, it is now 2 months since she died. And you didn't mourn her. You have been behaving as if nothing happened. Why? Why, Patrick?
You did not even spend a kobo on a burial.
That's why we're here now.
Oh.
Not only that, you have refused to see your in-law as if Ijoma was not your wife.
Oh.
Patrick, that is what we have come to find out. Because now you are supposed to be a sad man. But since she died, you have been behaving as if nothing happened. Why are you doing that?
I must get to the root of this sudden death that killed a young girl with an old pregnancy. Even if my child did anything to you, what did my unborn grandchild, an innocent child, what did he do to you?
Unborn grandson that I don't have any relations with, that I probably did not even know, that I was not supposed to be the father. Look, which one is eating you people up? You have catalogued a lot of things now. Is it the fact that I did not mourn my wife very well, or the fact that I don't relate with my wife's people, my in-laws very well, or that I did not spend money the way you are saying?
All of them, Patrick. All of them. You are going to answer for all of them.
Answer for what?
For what
Please, if you people don't have any other thing to say, you can go out.
Patrick, do you have a heart at all?
Okay.
Do you have a heart?
Answer that question. Must I know my wife the way you people want? You doesn't have to. Addition does not say that. It did not say that.
This man has
It has to be the way you want it.
It is all right.
I'm mourning my wife the way I want to mourn my wife.
Yes, and I assure you that Eziago will get to the root.
Yes.
I will find out.
Has taken away my joy, has taken away my joy, happiness into morning. My life is now a nightmare. Is now a nightmare. My life is now a nightmare.
Are you out of your mind? Patrick, of all lazy people, to be your husband.
Mama, you don't know Patrick like I do. He is everything I want in a man. In him I found joy and happiness.
Patrick, you think you can kill my only daughter and go free? I will make sure you eat from the gutters. I must avenge the death of my daughter, unless she did not suck this my breast. I will make you so uncomfortable in this town. Yes.
Chima! Chima! Sir! Come here. Which of the cars have you watched for me to go out with?
I watched the flight boot, sir.
Flat boot?
Yes, sir.
You are a madman. You are a
madman.
You are a
madman.
Go and look for the jeep and clean it.
Yes, sir.
And bring it immediately. Idiot. I will own all these things and then you want me to go out to go and see friends with just flat boot, even though I'm the one that bought it. Bagger. Vin! Vin! Hi. Hey! Stop, my beautiful boys. You'll be thieving and going on, no problem. There will be no mobile police on your way, even though they are on checkpoint. No, even Bakasi, if I live here now, if you not spare me, if I get up, I will go and stop Bakasi. Eh? In Bakasi name. Please, please, please. Because hey! Hey!
Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Oju tuta manjaya. Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Iji makego afafo barale. Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Makego kiji bwonyegi. Quick money, blood money.
Leave everything to me. I will take care of him.
Please, Nai. Please, do it for me. I will come and say thank you. So, thank you, Nai.
Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Iji makego barale. Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Makego kiji bwonyegi.
There is.
Quick money, blood money, Ajoka.
You died for this. You died poor. Look at you, mommy.
How do you go here? What else? They come out, make complete human being talk to me. Where they go? In the place. Waka. I not complete. Thunder fire you. I need the cost. What are you? If I don't kill you today,
You friend, now this kind, that man be now you want fight.
Thank you, my sister. Eh? I don't know what he do when making go. They punish her like this. I better come. Give me food. Give me food.
Yes, and they do party here. Bring money now.
I'll pay. Give me food. Give me rice. Give me rice. Rice. And food, shot, rice. And mama. And good. Get bush meat. I'll head of fish. Yeah.
Come, where is this girl? Come and take your money. Why not the serve madman here?
Not be the same money where you pay, now you pay.
Even if he's paying the same money, can't you see he's crazy? Messing up this, the whole place.
You're the way they mess up.
No, leave him now. Not the way he's messing up.
Leave him,
I'll pay. Don't want to pay.
Your papa? Idiot. That's your brother. Don't worry. More. Give him extra.
Help me. Baba, help me. I've seen him.
Who?
The killer.
Okay, what do you want us to do for you?
Please help me. Arrest him. He's there. He's sitting there. Please, just arrest him.
It's a pity. We're on duty post now. It's better you go and make a statement in police station. Eh?
Please, now, before I get there, he will escape, please.
Madam, you just say no be gun he use. No.
Where is that person?
What is it?
He's there.
Okay, let's go.
I can't watch him anymore.
What? How do you mean?
He's behaving somehow.
Madam, any problem? Why are you running like this?
He's behaving somehow.
Where's the criminal now?
He's still there.
Yeah. Okay, officer, wait. Let's go.
Let us go.
No. The police are here. Let us go.
I'm not going.
He's there. He's still there.
You want arrest? Huh? I said you want arrest? Huh?
Man, arrest this man now.
So woman, I'm not man where you call us to arrest, eh?
I arrest him now. I kill my picking.
No, the seat, I like it. Fantastic. Okay. I think this is some...
This is fine.
Good job.
No, it's a
Mercedes. Are you not buying again? Come. It's a very fine car.
As you can see now, okay, look at security, everything. No, I'm not worried. Security has security. Even though I haven't seen the inside. Look at fine flowers. That's all around.
How much does it take to plant flower if that is the case?
At least that's the beauty of the house.
No, I like the clad, I like the security system.
My friend, 12 million is not just here. 12 million. Just look at the house. The house is. I'm supposed to give you this house 30 million, but look at the house. 12 million, very, very.
Particularly, I like the cladding. I like the security. I like it. But if I go inside and I don't like the inside, the surrounding, okay, the back. Okay, fine.
Let's go in. You see for yourself, huh? Okay. Just come and see for yourself.
Because no, I like the house. So
just look at the gate.
Yes, I like the house, to be honest.
Come in. Okay. Yeah. Come in now.
Can't you hear it?
What? Can't you hear her singing? But I can't hear anything now.
What the song again? The song again.
Hey! Bumeshikanana. Anyabanya putamputa. Bumeshikanana. Anyabanya putamputa. Urena kalaru na mapoza banema.
Old man, who are you and what do you think you're doing?
What a question. I am Ogugwani. And this is my domain.
Your domain indeed.
Onye jobu. Onguludo.
Old man, save yourself the stress and go home. Before I swallow you like a python.
No matter how little the needle is, it is not always easy for the python to swallow it. We have the cobra. We have the mamba. We have the viper. Amongst them is the king of forests. And that is me, the biggest and the greatest of them all.
You're playing with your life, old man. You're playing with the god of thunder. You're playing with the god of river. Ashriman, the god of the sea. Go home, old man. I warned you the last time.
Reslopika. You are a slopika. A little low coyote. I cannot fear you. Hey, Mmezite boraju. Mmezite witi pa boraju yishi nene. Mmeleshige ngonu adaka. Hey, wale.
The venom of a piper cannot do anything to the back of Dorothy's. I warned you earlier on, old man. Now take this.
Now you are back.
Yes, I'm back.
You really took so long to come.
It is not an easy task. Look, I had to consult other stronger powers. That man Ezendo has great powers. So. But I will tell him that I inherited everything from my great-grandfathers.
I trust you, Nai. I trust you. But Nai, do you think that man can be subdued?
Leave everything to me. Okay. If this one fails, I will consult yet other strong powers to make sure that he is subdued and subdued forever.
Thank you.
Who is he?
Let
us go.
Okay. The car is over there.
Let's go.
Somebody here?
Who is it?
Hi, honey, it's me. How are you?
What are you doing here?
Am I not welcome? Honey, I'm your wife. Please, for heaven's sake. Let me come in first.
Excuse me.
What?
You have every other thing you need in Ghana. So what are you doing here?
I know I have every other thing there, but I don't have you there. I miss you, sweetheart. Please, just give me a hug. Let's go inside. I'm tired. I have a message from Mr. Kwasi for you.
So, how long are you going to stay?
Huh?
How long are you going to stay?
What do you mean? Let's go in first. Oh, tired.
IJ, no. Patrick.
Yeah.
You know you're now one of us. Come in and celebrate.
No. I don't think I have that kind. Actually, that's not what brought me. There's a problem that brought me here.
Patrick, you're now a rich man. This is not the time to count your programs. This is the time for enjoyment.
No, isn't it? This is not a problem this one can solve. Neither is it a problem that money can solve. We need to talk.
What is it?
Look, I've been seeing things. Ever since my wife died, it's like this. Any investment I want to put my hands on, I even want to go and inspect, there Ijoma will be singing for me. At times she appears, at times it's only her voice. Everywhere, I can't rest, I can't concentrate on anything. I can't even put hands in any other investment. She'll be singing all around. It is too much. It is too much.
I have been expecting that. It happens to me too.
Really?
We will kill her for the second time.
Kill her the second time? Ijoma is dead.
Just get me one of her clothes and leave the rest for me.
If that will solve the problem. Because if this thing continues for the next 1 week, I will go bananas. Honestly, please, I will get the cloth as soon as possible so that we can do something. Thank you.
money, blood money, Ajoka. When did the Chero get you?
Yeah.
Please, madam. I've come to beg you to tamper justice with mercy. I don't believe Patrick could kill Ijoma, his beloved wife. You know, at the initial time, I didn't support the marriage. But when I got to know that they loved each other, I supported the marriage. Bikon, madam, please. Bikon.
You are happy that Ijoma died? Ijoma killed herself then?
No.
What do you want me to do now? Eh? Look, if Patrick has a hand in Ijoma's death, then he has to go to where Ijoma is. That is the Mother Earth. But if he does not have a hand in it, so be it. Look, I haven't started with you. By the time I finish with Patrick, all the people around him will know that I am feeling the pains of a mother. For my only daughter, go and tell him, wherever he is, that I have not started.
Please. Help. Patrick, help. So this is how you ruined your life. Help. Patrick.
Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Iji makego akwafo barale. Quick money, blood money, Ajoka. Makego kiji nwunye Quick money.
No.
Yes.
Wow.
Dora.
My dear.
How are you?
Fine.
So you come here too?
Yes, so things are cheap here.
That is true.
Things are cheap here.
It's all right.
Hey. Hey, yeah. How's everything?
I thank God for today.
I heard what happened to your daughter.
My dear, what will I do? That is how I see things. It's all right. I called Ijoma, warned her against that man, Patrick. She refused and said she was blinded by love. Now you can see where love had ended her.
Children of nowadays. Eh? Children of nowadays.
What is it, my sister?
Ezi, have you heard what happened to Patrick?
Who cares? Dora, is he dead?
No, I learned he's now mad.
That is good for him, my dear. That is very good for him. You see, my daughter has taken her revenge.
Yes.
He should have been dead.
It's a repercussion of what he did. Every action has a reaction.
That is true. Whatever a man sows, he will reap. I'll see you, eh?
here.
Yes? What do you want?
You get small motor. Small.
Which one are you talking about? Like sheep. Come, Mr. Man. I don't have any of your time. Understand? I don't have your time. And if you don't get that from here, I'll call my boss to bundle you out.
Give me a helicopter.
I said you should get that from this place.
When I get to Soliso.
I get. Sir, bring it for me. Bring it for me. You know, I said you should get that from here.
You don't get to Soliso.
Bring it for me.
Shoes.
What are you looking for?
My red silky shoe, of course.
See, never you dare in your life come very close to this door. If you do it.
What do you mean by that? I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Just believe that this door never exists.
No, I have to look for my shoes. I have to look for What? Okay, let's look for it together. If you don't want me to look,
you can look for your shoe every other place, but not here. I've locked this door for a very long time, so you can look every other place.
Okay. I don't understand what is happening in this house any longer. I don't understand you.
Great One, I honor your presence.
Have you prepared for your elevation to the master's level?
Yes, O Great One.
Who is your special sacrifice?
Great One, I used my beloved mother before. Now I want to use my wife, Rose.
You have taken a choice. Your test begins at once.
My beautiful house. Who closed the gate anyhow?
Come. Waiting. Who will they look for?
Who's this?
Come on, open this gate! Which gate? You the Chris? Hey, you drink kerosene?
Me?
No.
Because I employed you yesterday? Come on, open this gate! Are you fresh? Come on.
Come on for here.
See me see trouble.
You don't come up for gate.
Hey! What's wrong with you? You mad? You mad?
So, what you want? Who here look for by the way?
Come! Which gate? Hashriman.
Hoi! Muma don't want your wall banyan nabo. Muma don't want your wall banyan nabo. That's him now on them for taboo patonisi. A robber in a watch also. Abiakun de Chamuche. Abiakin any man. Kimam na mother. Himam na more. Imam lose on Sibili. If you not Chamu, Mbeme Megiva. Ajana ya jidegi. Mbeme bosi jinaka bogu. Homo ani abunanya. Olo ko jeli njeme kan jeme. Olo mbodi ke jeli ebuna. Oba di kegu. Dei. Olo mbodi ke jeli ebuna. Zandu. Your time is up. Nobody stands on my nose and gets balanced.
You know we'll get catchy with that. Yeah, I pity him. Oh. Why are you pitying him, Seth? Why are you pitying him? Do you know the cost of that is madness? Envy, of course. Maybe they saw that he's doing well in this our line. So they decide to make him mad. Shut up your mouth and open your eyes. Haven't you heard that that man was involved in money rituals? And wait, and the thing backfired just like back to sender. Oh, but I don't believe you. Wait, you don't believe me? Eh? Well, I stayed there now. Assuming he succeeded now, you would have been riding all these big cars and be slapping me and you with money. Look, let me tell you, that is why me, I can never respect all these big men you see with big cars. I don't know for you, for me, I can never respect them. John, what?
Two like this, huh? Why you not tell me give you more body to carry it? Hey, you the craze. You don't know say you be craze woman. You be like ruler like this. Nonsense. If you don't begin now, you begin with the motor. Go the craze. Craze. You begin can go to A, B, C, D. Wait, man, you know this. I see you off. If I exhort you, I go chop well.
Daughter. I hope there's no problem. Let's go inside.
No need. There's no need, my daughter.
What happened?
My daughter.
Why are you like this?
My daughter, I just came to tell you that the power behind the death of your daughter is very great. And this is the result.
Nine. I thought you were a very strong native doctor.
Yes, I know. I know. But there are powers and there are powers. I want to tell you here and now that I am of that case. Eh? I am of that case, my daughter. And I am advising you to keep off that case. Let your daughter avenge her death. I am going.
You can't abandon me like this. Come, let me find you something, eh?
My daughter, don't worry.
Then let me take you home in my car.
I'll get home. Oh, yes, yeah. I want to open this gate.
I thought he's a very strong native doctor. How can he abandon me like this? What is the meaning of all this?
Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Igbo. Oju tutu amanjaya. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Igbo. Iji makego akwafo barale. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Igbo. Makego kiji nwunye gi. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. When did the chero get you? Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Onye bakarachi anaso popo we anaso. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Oju tutu amanjaya. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Onya piriego. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Ojebe jori. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Onye hori ho. Ihe ọkọchịchọ na-eme n'Owerika. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Oju tutu amanjaya. Quick money, blood money, ajoka. Iji maka ego akwafo barale. Quick money, blood money, ajoka.
Igwe.
When did the chero get you? Quick money, blood money, ajoka.
Igwe. Wait! My money is coming. My money is coming. Go. Hey. Go.
Are you mad?
Go. Go. Oh my God. God. God.
You know what I've done? So you have succeeded in killing my brother, Patrick. Huh?
Just hang it there. Hang it! By the way, who allowed this witch into my compound? How did you get in here?
Compound. Obohandazo. I've just come to inform you that this is just the beginning.
You are a fool. I don't expect anything better from lesser human beings like you. I will deal with you in this town. Now, get out.
I'm already going out. But I'm just telling you that I won't remind you that my brother, Patrick, has people. And by the time I finish with you, you know that I'm Chema. You know that I'm Chema. I'm just a woman. Get out!
Send out of here!
You see what I did to you? I will never do.
Get man, come here. Why did you allow that witch into this compound? Can't you see she's mad? Do you want to see her naked before you know she's mad? Sometimes they dress like that and yet they are mad. Don't allow such people into my compound again. I hope you've heard me.
Oga, I beg no vex.
Hello, can I help you?
No be Eze.
Ezendo.
I would say, Mr. Eze.
I don't know you.
You don't know me again? You been go college now, you been go school for St. Francis now, Enugu.
That was a long time ago.
Abba, wait. You said.
Wait.
Are you not Martins?
Aha!
We used to call Martino.
Yo! Martins, Martino cool!
What are you doing here?
Oh boy, now wow. I wheelbarrow now, man they push, man picking. I carry 10 children. One wife. Oh boy, you know easy. I'm a begin push wheelbarrow. I know thief.
Martins. Pushing wheelbarrow.
Man, picking no thief. Oh boy.
Wheelbarrow.
You haven't done better how.
Martins.
See how you look cool.
Well, we thank God. We thank God. Well, maybe I can be of a good help to you. If you can come to my house, if you don't mind.
Me? Martin? Mind? Ah! You don't put something better pass a cara for my mouth.
Okay. I'll give you my card so that you know your way.
Your card? I think your address is inside. Yeah. I'll go come. Hey, Eze. Eze Udo.
Hey! Atro! Gila! Hey! Push!
Hold him so I can give you the card. It's important you know my house.
Okay, get it.
Blood. Stop.
Yes, I'll collect the card.
Does he know you? Hold him.
Sometimes it's good luck.
Hold him so that I can give you the card. Please, hold him.
Yeah, okay.
I'll put more.
Ego